Accepted Minecraft Marketplace partners keep 70% of every sale, Microsoft takes the other 30%. That is a genuinely good split. But here is the part nobody tells you, Microsoft rejects most applications before you ever see a cent. Quick heads up before we get into it. The portfolio checklist that actually passes review, plus the pricing and launch playbook, is my Minecraft revenue blueprint. $29, linked below. Now let's talk about what partners actually earn. So what does a Minecraft Marketplace partner actually earn? Start with the split, because it is the same everywhere. 70% to you, 30% to Microsoft. It applies the same way across skin packs, worlds, texture packs, and mashup packs. No tiers, no hidden fees. On a $3 skin pack, that is a little over $2 landing in your pocket per sale. Multiply that by downloads, and the picture gets interesting. Our own earnings guide breaks creators into tiers, and I want to be honest about the spread. A hobby creator with a handful of items sits somewhere around $100 to $500 a month. Part-time creators, with a small catalog, land in the hundreds to low thousands. Full-time creators, publishing steadily, reach the low to mid-thousands. And at the very top, studios with 200 or more items can clear $50,000 a month or more. Now, treat those as ranges, not promises. Almost nobody starts at the top. Most partners begin small and build a catalog over months. The number that matters is not the ceiling, it is whether your work clears review at all. So let's fix that. Before Microsoft even looks at your art, you have to clear the eligibility bar. This is where a lot of hopeful creators get filtered out. 3 hard requirements come first. You must be 18 or older. You must have a registered business entity, not just a personal account. And you need valid tax and payout details on file. Marketplace pays real money, so Microsoft treats you like a real vendor. Then comes the portfolio. This is the big one. Microsoft wants to see at least 3 polished, original Bedrock content pieces before it will review you. And our guide is blunt about this. Submitting 4 or 5 strong pieces significantly improves your odds. 3 is the floor, not the target. Now, patience. Application review typically takes 2 to 4 weeks. During high-volume periods, like the holiday rush, it can stretch to 2 or 3 months. That wait is normal. Refreshing your inbox will not speed it up. Here is the mindset shift. The application is not a lottery ticket. It is a job application, judged on a body of work. Which raises the real question, what does a portfolio that actually passes review look like? A portfolio that passes review clears 6 specific bars. Miss any one of them, and a piece gets rejected. Bar 1 is visual quality. The art has to look finished, clean pixels, consistent style, no rushed corners. This is the most common failure. Bar 2 is the technical file format. Your pack has to be built correctly, with a valid manifest and the right structure. A broken file fails instantly, no matter how good the art is. Bar 3 is original intellectual property. No ripped textures, no copyrighted characters, nothing you do not own. IP violations are an automatic no. Bar 4 is appropriate content. Nothing that breaks Minecraft's community standards. Bar 5 is working mechanics. If it is a world, the world has to actually function, with no game-breaking bugs. And Bar 6 is value for the price. A thin pack at a premium price gets flagged for inadequate value. What you charge has to match what you deliver. Hit all 6, on at least 3 pieces, and you have a portfolio worth submitting. That is the standard the review team is quietly holding you to. With a portfolio that clears those bars, the application itself is straightforward. Think of it as 6 stages. Stage 1, build your portfolio. 3 or more finished pieces, each clearing all 6 bars we just covered. Stage 2, register your business entity and get your tax details in order. Do this before you apply, not after. Stage 3, apply through the official channel at minecraft.net. The application itself is free. There is no fee to submit. Stage 4, the review. 2 to 4 weeks, sometimes longer, while Microsoft evaluates your work individually. Stage 5, acceptance. You get partner status and access to the submission pipeline. And Stage 6, you publish and start earning your 70%. I am keeping this at the level of stages on purpose. The exact submission portal, the buttons, the upload screens, the forms, shifts as Microsoft updates it. So I am not going to fake screenshots of a dialogue that might look different next month. The written guide on screen keeps the current portal steps in sync. What does not change is the sequence: portfolio, business, apply, review, accepted, earn. So you got the email. You are accepted. What happens after acceptance? First, understand the payout rhythm. Marketplace pays quarterly, 4 times a year, not monthly. And there is a minimum threshold, $200 per quarter. Earn less than that in a quarter, and it rolls over until you cross the line. So a slow start does not mean you lose the money, it just waits. Second, acceptance is not the finish line for reviews. Every new piece you submit goes through its own check. Content that passes on the first try clears in about 1 to 2 weeks. Each revision cycle adds another 1 to 2 weeks on top. That has a real consequence for planning. If you want a pack live for the holidays, and the holidays are when marketplace sales spike hardest, you submit weeks early. Build the buffer in. Rushed submissions get rejected, and a rejection resets your clock. The partners who do well treat this like a catalog business. Publish steadily. Keep quality high. Let the back catalog compound while you build the next piece. So what could your catalog actually earn? Let's put real numbers on it, with our free marketplace calculator. I will keep it to the honest default the tool ships with. 1 skin pack, priced at $2.99. 500 downloads a month. At that price, the 70-30 split gives you $2.09 per sale. Microsoft keeps 90 cents. The calculator does the multiplication for you. 500 downloads lands you about $1,046 a month. It shows that as monthly, quarterly, and yearly, side by side. Quarterly, that same pack clears $3,100, comfortably above the $200 payout threshold. Over a year, it is a little over $12,500. From one pack. Now slide the downloads up, and watch it scale. Change the content type, and the price range moves with it. Worlds and mashup packs carry higher price points than skins. That is the whole point of the tool. It turns your price and your volume into a real estimate, instead of a guess. These are estimates, not guarantees. Your actual downloads depend on your catalog, your marketing, and the season. But it grounds the fantasy in arithmetic you can plan around. That is the Minecraft Marketplace Partner Program, end-to-end, the split, the requirements, the portfolio that passes, the application, and a real look at the money. Here is your next move. If accepted, you need a first pack to submit, so watch the next video, how to make and sell a Minecraft skin pack. It is the full walkthrough, from pixels to payout. And the $29 Minecraft revenue blueprint has the portfolio checklist, the pricing benchmarks, and the launch plan in one place. Link below. Subscribe, and go build something worth submitting. See you in the next one.